Hello everyone, this is Naveen Ramu, a campus ambassador for 2018 Winter Youth Assembly at the United Nations. I am working on Goal 16, Peace, Justice and Strong Institutions. And this is my group from Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, India.
Hi, I'm Manju. I've chosen to work on SDG number 15, Life on Land.
Namaste, I'm Shaunak Handa. I'm working on SDG number 4, Quality Education.
Hi, I'm Niranjana Ambadi. I'm focusing on SDG 5, Gender Equality.
Hi, I'm Advaith. My goal is to bring clean and affordable energy for everyone.
Hi, I'm Akhil Joseph. I worked close to SDG number 7, Affordable and Clean Energy.
Hello, I am Ashish Chopra. My area of interest is related to SDG number 6, Clean Water and Sanitation.
Navjot Kaur, goal number 3, Good Health and Well-being.
Hi, I'm Rishab, Batra, working on SDG number 7, Affordable and Clean Energy.
Gaurav, Tikas, SDG number 9, Innovation, Industry, Infrastructure.
We all ready to meet you at Youth Assembly United Nations. Together,
we can.